In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort a report in QuickBooks Online for a more custom reporting view. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure you run the report you wish to customize. This is your starting point and the foundation from which you'll build on to gain insights that best serve your needs. Once your report is up and running, take a look at the tools located at the top right corner of your screen. These options are your gateway to transforming the standard report into something more tailored and insightful. Let's walk through how you can use these customization tools, starting with the general options. Here, you have the flexibility to change how numbers are formatted within the report. Need to show non-zero data only? You can do that. Perhaps you want to tweak the layout by adjusting headers, footers, and section titles to better match what you're looking for. This is where you do it. Now, filtering data is another powerful tool at your disposal. Filtering allows you to hone in on specific data points by excluding information that doesn't meet your criteria. This tool is particularly useful if you're looking to streamline your reports and focus only on the most pertinent data. Comparing data over time can reveal trends and growth patterns that might not be obvious at first glance. This is where the Compare tool comes into play. By using this feature, you can directly contrast information from different periods, providing you a broader and more dynamic view of your business's performance over time. Next up is the Display tool. Customizing your report with this feature lets you choose how your data columns are displayed. This means you can decide which data points to highlight and which ones to relegate to the background, based on your current priorities or the specific questions you're trying to answer through the report. One of the best things about using these tools in QuickBooks Online is that any modifications you make are updated in real time. This instant feedback loop allows you to experiment freely, providing a hands-on way to understand and get comfortable with what's possible in tailoring your reports. So take your time, explore these tools, and adjust various settings to see how each change affects your report's layout and information presentation. It's a powerful way to get the insights you need in a format that makes the most sense for you. And that's all there is to it. Customizing reports in QuickBooks Online is a fantastic way to gain more control over your financial insights and make data-driven decisions for your business. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.